everyone, it's Josette van der Burgt here, and today I'll be showing you how to assemble the cat die set. So this is a die here. It's got all the pieces, the head, the body, his tail, the ears and his legs, the whiskers, his nose piece, the eyes, and the tip of his nose, the little piece of his body. And then it also comes with a fish bone and with a little bow. And here are the cats already assembled, or the cats assembled. Two variations. One is just basic. He's looking forward, and here this is like the female cat with a little bow and her head tilted. So first, I cut all my pieces already from white soft finish cardstock, and I'm going to color with the Hickory Smoke Distress ink. So I'll just use circular motions on my mat. I start off with the head. And his body. The legs. And you can use different colors, of course, if you like. I mean, if you want to do a brown cat, light brown cat. The tail. His ears. And then for the whiskers and the little paws here and the inside of the ears, I cut this from white soft finish cardstock with adhesive on the back, so it's easier to assemble. For the inside of the ears, I use spun sugar distress, so I can just leave it on the adhesive on the backing. That's the inside. The eyes and the nose I colored with a black marker. And then his paw pieces. And then the whiskers I do very lightly with the Hickory Smoke to just give it a little bit of color. And then I already colored his piece of the nose, or where the nose comes with his mouth, and I did it the same color, and then I used a very fine black marker to mark his mouth, and there's an embossing line, so you can just follow the embossing line. So now I just let my pieces dry. I already did another set that I colored here, and the body piece as well. So first I'm going to adhere the eyes. Then the nose. Oh. And then the lighter pieces of the ear. Oh. Now I'm going to use a little bit of the Kids' Choice glue to assemble the rest. I usually just So with the ears, if you put a little bit of glue just at the bottom part, and then it's the inside of the ears kind of in a bow, so it fits easy around his head. Now the whiskers. And then the pieces of his feet. Now with assembling the rest, you can kind of play around. Like here I just did the simple cat facing forward here with his head tilted. Now this is a really fun one too. That's an idea from Anita Isendorn. She did a sitting cat. So in that case you put his 2 legs in the back and then you put his head there and you can get his tail. See how that is really funny, and then the piece for his belly too. So that's a really fun one to do. And then you can add a little bow or make it, put a little bow here around his neck, her neck. So that's a really fun one. If you just want the forward looking one, then we'll put the belly on first. Then his legs. And his tail. Oop. And there's your cute little kitty cat. You can, if you like, add some dots, what I did here in the center, 2 dots in the center with a white jelly roll. You can add a little bow too. And I've colored the fishbone here. So it's really fun. Lots of possibilities with this cute little cat die. I'll show another card that I made here. You Are the Cat's Meow, a fun one. And for this one I used the new Forever Friends sentiments. I'll show you here too. It's got lots of fun sentiments. Happy Bark Day to you, because we've got a new dog die as well. I woof you, have a perfect day, meow, woof woof. Lots of fun sentiments. And then here's the other card that I made. As you can see, you can also give him a little bit of a red, or her some red cheeks. I used the sponge sugar for that as well. So thank you so much for watching. I've suggested a couple other videos that I think you will enjoy as well. Don't forget to download the free product sheet. See you next time.